How to use voucher code in Lazada. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use voucher code in Lazada. Open the Lazada app on your mobile device. Tap on Account from the bottom right corner of the screen. Select Vouchers and Discounts from the menu options. Browse through the available vouchers and offers displayed. Tap on Collect for each voucher you want to use. Scroll down to explore additional vouchers if available. Go back to the main screen and choose a product you wish to purchase. Select your preferred color or variant and click on Add to Cart. Proceed to checkout by clicking on the shopping cart icon. Choose your payment method and proceed to the payment screen. Enter the voucher code in the designated field or select the voucher you collected earlier. Complete your order by confirming the details and placing your order. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.